discovery. Lawyer's examination before trial
Yeah,
of facts and documents in possession of the opponents to help the lawyers prepare for trial.
yeah,
Mhm. You know, when you issue one of these ex parte permanent protection orders,
yes,
I can't actually talk to the petitioner because of the restraint provisions of a protection order.
yes,
Mhm. It makes it really difficult to do any discovery
yes.
about what it is that they say that I'm doing as the respondent. Oh. Now, an attorney representing myself,
Yes,
can contact the petitioner
yes,
and they can ask them,
yes,
do you have any police reports that my client would like to discover?
yes.
Do you have any written statements?
Oh,
Oh. Any witnesses that I should be aware of?
yeah,
hmm And I'm just going to want to make sure that as an indigent American citizen, that I protect my right to discovery
yes.
when having protection orders issued against you,
Hmm.
or the discovery of what is known as the dissolution of marriage. Yeah. See, I responded, gave you 50 pages of documentation. You allowed my wife to motion the court for a default dissolution of marriage when I did respond within the 90 days.
Yes,
And after that, there was no obligation to give me any due process that you were having court hearings. Now, if the court had realized that we were homeless on Guam,
yeah,
she was on welfare,
yes.
as the alleged victim of domestic violence, and my five sons were allegedly victimized by myself as a perpetrator of child abuse. I would have told the court, well, before we go to these settlement conference setting hearings,
Yes,
before I give you any additional response other than what the law requires,
yes,
why don't you take into consideration my financial status as an indigent? Now, when you put these constraints,
yes,
known as restraint provisions, in the dissolution of marriage and the protection orders,
yeah,
without any due process of law,
yes,
depriving me of an attorney that can go between myself and my spouse,
yes.
I've been deprived of my sons. I've been deprived. I've been deprived.